Hello foodies, welcome to Zaika Jigna's kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss update on new recipes. Hello friends, welcome back to Zaika Jigna's kitchen. Today I'm back with another delicious recipe. It's called Maggie Bajiya. It's a very famous dish in Ahmedabad and this is monsoon season, so we all love pakoras, we all love Maggie so much, so why not combine both of them and make a delicious recipe. So without further ado, let's get started with preparation for Maggie Bajiya. Friends, our Maggie Bajiya is ready. You can see how crispy it looks from the outside. Let me show you from the inside. You can see the cheese has melted and trust me, it smells yummy and tastes yummy as well. So do try this recipe at home. It's very simple and easy to make. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Zaika Jigna's Kitchen. We come up with new recipes, new videos every Friday at 4:30 p.m. So stay tuned.